Sewing for Kids, 30 fun projects to help them hand and machine sew. This is a great book if you have kids that are interested in sewing. It's not outrageously expensive. It has terrific photos and illustrations inside. It's coded into 2 sections. There's a hand sewing section and then a machine sewing section, and everybody should learn how to hand sew. I have adult students that don't know how to hand sew, and I think that that's a travesty, because you can sew on a simple button and save a blouse and keep it out of the landfill and extend it in your wardrobe. So hand sewing is key. And there's each chapter, so there's a chapter on the hand sewing, there's techniques and a few stitches and the supplies that you need. And then it has 5 very simple projects, and then 5 projects that are a little bit more advanced, and then 5 projects that are pretty advanced for hand sewing. Then there's a section on machine sewing, and it's the same thing. It talks about the machines, and I have a recommendation for a basic beginner's machine, and that will be listed down below. And it's the same machine that she recommends in here. It's just the updated version, because this version in the book is unavailable now. But and then in the machine section, it talks about machine stitches and how to use your machine. But then it also starts you with small projects and progresses into more and more advanced projects. There's a pattern for a beanbag chair in here. What, tween wouldn't love to sew themselves up a beanbag chair? That would be very cool. There's simple things like napkins and little purses. And let's see, for the hand sewing project, you have this little strawberry pin cushion. And on the machine sewing side, we have this little pot dish that it's like a hot pot dish. I mean, these are things that kids can make for Christmas if they want to get involved in making Christmas gifts for friends and family. It's really sort of a fun thing. I'm looking for another project. It's really, here's one. Here's a winter beanie. So here's a winter beanie. So they have projects for boys and girls, anyone that wants to learn how to sew. I think it is skewed a little bit more towards girls because there's purses and cute little things, but certainly there are projects in here that boys that want to learn how to sew and how to use a machine and a needle and thread can do so. And if you have any kind of budding artist that is really creative and wants to learn how to sew, this is a great book. I highly recommend this one for kids. It's a perfect beginner book. If you're a beginner adult, you could get it out of the library and try it. But if it's for a kid, make a great gift to get them off and running. Until next time, happy sewing. Bye.